Hi guys. Oh shit. Oh my god. Yes, I have the hiccups. It's really dark here. I'm watching my sister's boyfriend's dog, Shadow. Isn't he cute? Yeah. Where are you going? Okay, well, he wants to crawl away, so, yeah. Okay. It's more like, this is the makeup I've done. It's kind of hard to see with my camera. Oh! Yeah, I think I might post the pictures, but yeah. Hello, YouTube. I'm taking this video right now, so there's gonna be no editing. Yeah. I don't like this side. Oh, yeah, it's hard to see the silver. The silver goes here and it blends outwards and it fades. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm sore. Too much dancing forever. Yeah, because yesterday I had semi-formal, so yeah, had fun with my friends. Well, I'm trying to look for a picture to show over here. This is what I looked like yesterday, but makeup right now looks better. So let's see if you can see that. Yeah, but right now here's later. Leave recording in the middle. Oh, I'm like changing colors. See, can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Oh yeah. Shadow! Come here, Shadow! Look at him more. What a cute cutie. Come here. Come over here, Shadow. Jump. Come. Okay. So yeah, I don't really have anything to say. There's Shadow. Oh god, okay. I need to get rid of the hiccups, so see you guys soon.